Hey students, first copy the link from the WhatsApp and then paste into your browser. It will opening. After that, click here, use a surname and make a copy simply, and then try to open Figma again. Let's say this one, Figma,
Incoming voice call from GIT on SIM.
and then go to the design. One new page will be appearing, and then simply paste. So after pasting this one, you can edit your name or whatever you want. Okay, just let's say I am editing this one, editing the name. You can edit your name as well, like that. Okay, then for sharing, just go to the share, copy the link and paste in the WhatsApp. Okay, and this anyone should be can view. Fine, thank you.